Hello, welcome to Niecy's Custom. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and watch my video, then hit that like and that share button and that subscribe button. If you're back, if you're returning, I'm glad you came back. Today, I want to speak to everyone about, first of all, let me say, Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy New Year 2022. Okay. It's our year. First and foremost, I want to thank God for bringing me into 2022, me and my family. 2021 was a rough year, but that's behind us now, a year that we'll never see again. So that's why we need to go look towards the future, live day by day, and everything will fall into place. Matter of fact, I told my husband a couple of days ago, I said, I'm not going to do no New Year's resolution or anything like that. I'm going to let God lead me into the way that He wants me to go. I want God to lead me. Tell me what He wants me to do. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to just come on here and just tell y'all a few things that I'm working on for my YouTube channel. First, I want to thank all my subscribers who subscribed to my channel. I love y'all so much. And I want to thank the people who's looking at my videos. I want to thank them. Even though they're not subscribed, I want to thank you anyway for looking at my channel. I am working hard on putting new content together. What else I wanted to say? I got my little list here that I wrote stuff down. I know I wasn't consistent with my videos, and I wasn't putting my videos out like I should, but I'm going to try my hardest to put a video out every week. I am. Put a video out every week. I got a couple of contents that I want to put out about. The first one is showing you guys how to do custom buttons. The stuffed balloons, you know how people get the balloons and they stuff them with the teddy bears and other balloons as well. Then I'm going to do, I'm going to have classes, like Zoom classes, how to really navigate through Silhouette Studios. I know that's a struggle for a lot of people, and I know it's hard, but I'm going to hold classes on them. I don't know when. I'm still trying to figure that out, when I'm going to do it, but it's going to be through Zoom. So I'll let y'all know, when I'm going to start that. And I'm going to do another one, how to get into sublimation, because I know a lot of people want to do sublimation now and start their own business. So I'm going to do a video on that, how I got into sublimation and how you can get into sublimation, how to get the program, well, not the program, with the equipment, the ink, and the paper, what I use. I'm going to do a video on that also. And also, I'm going to do a video on whoever wants to learn how to do the 3D shirts, the all over shirts. I'm going to do a video on that. Do a class on that as well, who want to really learn how to do the 3D shirts. And I'm going to do some sublimation hats. I'm going to get into the hat. Whoever want to learn how to, do hats. And also, I want to talk to people about if they want to do this, how you want to expand your business, or you want to get into business for yourself doing sublimation, vinyl, and other type of craft items as well. I hope y'all stick around. I hope y'all share my video, like my video, subscribe to my channel, because I do have a lot of knowledge that I want to share with you guys on my channel who are willing to learn. And I'm going to share with y'all my vendors. Who do I go to get all this stuff? Who do I recommend getting, you know, your sublimation blanks, and other places that you can get your sublimation blanks from. Other than that, I can't think of anything else. I'm gonna just do a lot of brainstorming and writing down my list, and come to y'all with another video. How to expand your business, how to get into sublimation, how to do some other stuff as well. That's the end of this video. And I'm sorry that I kept saying all the time. But you know, guys, I'm from South Carolina. The next time, you know what I'm about to say. God loves you, and I love you too. Peace.